This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295 RL rear living double slide is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, Slideout, TV, air conditioning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295 RL rear living double slide is 8,902 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.